Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Roblox account back. First, identify why you lost access, whether it's a forgotten password or a compromised account. Then, try the forgot password or username link on the Roblox login page. Always check your email, including spam folders, for any recent communications from Roblox regarding your account. This initial check can often resolve simpler access issues quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. If basic recovery doesn't work, your next step is to contact Roblox support directly. Visit their official website and navigate to the support page. You'll need to fill out a detailed support form. Be sure to provide your Roblox username, the email address associated with the account, and a clear, concise description of the problem. Accuracy here is key to helping them understand and address your specific situation. To help Roblox support verify your ownership, gather as much relevant information as possible. This includes any purchase receipts or transaction ID from Robux or premium subscriptions. Also, try to recall the approximate date you created the account. Providing any associated email addresses or phone numbers, even old ones, can significantly strengthen your claim and speed up the recovery process. More details mean a faster resolution. After submitting your support ticket, expect a response from Roblox support within a few business days. They typically aim to reply within 24 to 72 hours, but it can vary. Carefully follow any instructions they provide, as they might ask for additional verification. Patience is crucial during this period. Avoid sending multiple tickets, which can slow down the process. Stay persistent and polite in your communications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.